I'm gonna just do my homework. So this is just number 2, so don't mention anything because number 1 is in the other video, so please don't get confused. So number 1, most beautiful cat breed in the world. Now this is just based on your opinion, by the way. It's not like they're forcefully telling you what you actually like, and you have to know the name, that is. But it's all about the questions about opinion about how you like about the cats, the look, and why it's perfect for the home or for you. Now, in my opinion, every cat is perfect the way they are. Like, I'm not gonna judge them for original fact. And some of them maybe have a health condition that a lot of people don't want to adopt them, which is sad. Some cats have lost an eye. Some cats have like their skull is not like actually intact. You know, like not actually have face of cat, but like a monster. And by that I mean like saying they never get adopted. Only rarely even see them getting adopted because how rare their condition are and how short their life is. So now this is based on your opinion and my opinion. So I don't have any, so don't just hang up the red flag and that's all. So the most beautiful cats and perfect cats, Maine Coon. I mean like a Maine Coon, if you don't know Maine Coon, it's like a cat that's really fluffy with long hair, like fur, okay? Then basically they're emotion are half cats and half dog at this point. You can just call them big gentle giants. That's what they normally call for the nickname. But the actual name is Maine Coon because how calm and they are. Some of them are risky, but a lot of them are still very perfect for you because like they're really calm. They basically just let anyone pet them. So yeah. So if you normally, so okay, this is getting confusing because like I'm talking about cats and then I just forgot. Cats that I know is perfect for some of the household. Maine Coon, white cats, Maine Coon white cats, and Sphinx cats, Calico cats. What's those cats? They're normally in French. Yeah. And black cat. Now, the reason I say black cat, some of you might be saying that it's like bring of unlucky vibes from it. But towards me, if you ever just saw a cat or even play with them, you never even know. So, black cat, there's just the rumors just bring about black cat, but in reality, they're really calm and just calm, like a capybara, you know. And Calico cat is a type of cat that have 3 types of different colors, like spots, like cow, but 3 different type of color. So the reason they call calico is that they have white, black, and orange. Those are the main color or spot on them. That's called. Is that they're really energetic and really fun to play around, and it's pretty much like very easy for you to play with them actually. So yeah. White cat is the most like if you want a cat that really loves you, like really love you and gentle with you, that's the most perfect cat I could ever know. You could choose a woman, you can choose a girl white cat or woman white cat for a short sentence. If you want them to be sweet and gentle, you can choose a boy if you want to play with them and have energetic and just record a video of dumb things they do. Yeah. So this is all cats and dogs in my opinion. So goodbye, have a great day.